A video player in HTML is used to play video files directly on a web page. It allows users to watch videos without leaving the web page. HTML video players make websites more interactive, engaging, and informative by combining visual and audio content. The width and height attributes set the size of the video on the page, controlling how much space it takes up in the browser window. They help ensure the video fits well with other page elements and maintains a proper aspect ratio. These attributes can also be adjusted with CSS for more flexible and responsive layouts, making the src attribute specifies the location of the video file to be played, for example, video MP4. The type attribute tells the browser the format of the video, such as video MP4 for MP4 files, so the browser knows it can play the file. Using the correct src and type ensures the video loads and plays properly across different browsers. The message your browser does not support the video type appears when the video element cannot play the specified video file. This can happen if the browser does not recognize the video format, the type attribute is incorrect, or the video file cannot be found. To handle this, you can include a fallback message inside the video tag so users know the video is unavailable instead of seeing nothing. The browser displays a video player with a title and the video itself. Users can press the play button on the player to start watching the video directly on the web page. A list is used to group related items in a structured way. There are three main types of lists: ordered, unordered, and nested. An unordered list in HTML is used to display a list of items where the order does not matter. It is created using the alt tag, and each item is placed inside an li tag. By default, the items are shown with bullet points, but the style can be changed using CSS. Unordered lists are commonly used for menus, features, ingredients, or any collection of items where sequence is not important. They help organize content clearly and make it easy for users to scan through information quickly. In this ordered list, we have HTML, CSS, and Python listed in a specific sequence. Each item is numbered automatically, which helps show the order or priority of the items. Ordered lists like this are useful for presenting steps, rankings, or any information where the sequence matters, making it easier for readers to follow and understand. An ordered list in HTML is used to display items in a specific sequence where the order matters. It is created using the alt tag, and each item is placed inside an li tag. By default, the list items are automatically numbered, but you can change the numbering style to letters or Roman numerals, and even start from a specific number using attributes. Ordered lists are commonly used for steps, instructions, rankings, or procedures, making information clear and easy to follow. They help organize content logically and ensure readers understand the correct order of the items. A nested list in HTML is a list that is placed inside another list, allowing you to organize information in a hierarchical structure. It can be created using either ordered lists all or unordered lists all, with each item in the main list containing a sublist as a child. Nested lists are useful for showing subcategories, steps within steps, or detailed breakdowns of topics. For example, a main list might include programming languages and frameworks, and under each item, there could be a sublist of specific languages like Python and JavaScript, or frameworks like React and Django. This structure makes content easier to read, visually organized, and helps users understand the relationship between main topics and their subtopics. The list is composed of an unordered list that includes HTML, CSS, and Java. It also contains an ordered list with HTML lessons, CSS lessons, and Java lessons. In addition, the list has nested lessons that include programming languages such as Python and JavaScript, as well as frameworks like React and Django. An HTML table is typically used to present information clearly, such as names, courses, grades, or records. Each row usually represents one item or record, while each column represents a category of information. Tables help organize data so it is easy to read and understand in a browser. The table is styled to be wide, taking up about 60% of the page width, so it looks spacious and easy to read. The borders of the columns and rows are collapsed, meaning all cell borders are merged into single clean lines instead of having double borders. This gives the table a neat, compact, and well-organized appearance in the browser. The table's header cells and data cells, TD, have a 1-pixel solid black border. This clearly separates each row and column, making the table easy to read and visually well-defined. Table cells have 8 pixels of padding, which adds space between the text and the cell borders, making the content easier to read and less crowded. The text is aligned to the left, giving the table a clean, simple, and consistent appearance. The table header background color is white, giving the table a clean and simple look, while keeping the header text clear and easy to read. Now let's create the table to store student information for name, age, course, and grade. Let's create a header for the table called Student Information. The TH cells under the name column store the student's name. The TH cells under the course column store the course or program they are enrolled in. The TH cells under the grade column store the student's academic grade. Together, these TD cells make up each student's complete record in the table. A TD cell in the table can include specific student data such as the name Alice. The TD cell includes the course Computer Science, storing the specific program the student is enrolled in. It also stores grade A, which is the student grade they received for the course. In the next TR table row, the TD cell stores the name George. In that same TR row, the TD cell stores his course Mathematics, along with another TD cell that stores grade B, completing the student record in the table. Overall, the HTML table organizes student information clearly and systematically. The TH row defines the columns, name, course, and grade. Each TD cell under these columns stores specific data for a student such as their name, their course, and grade. Each TR row represents a complete record for one student, so all their information is displayed horizontally in that row. The browser displays an HTML table that shows the name Alice George, the course Computer Science and Mathematics with grades A and B.